Let Garmin show you how to install your standard quick-release axle bicycle onto a FLUX S or FLUX 2 smart trainer. The FLUX should be used on a flat, stable surface that allows plenty of room to pedal, mount, and dismount the bicycle. Type 1 FLUX S and FLUX 2 trainers have the 135mm QR axle caps pre-installed. Type 2 FLUX S and FLUX 2 trainers will have axle end caps for both the 135mm QR and 12mm through axle frames. The trainer will come with a 135mm QR caps pre-installed. For this video, we will be using a FLUX 2 Type 2 trainer. First, remove the rear wheel from your bicycle and set it aside. Install the quick-release skewer provided with the FLUX or use the one from your bicycle. Ensure that the spring is placed with the small side facing the trainer. Place the chain onto the smallest cog of the cassette on the FLUX. Be sure the bicycle frame sits securely on both axle end caps. You may need to rock the bike gently back and forth to ensure each is seated. Tighten the nut on the drive side of the quick-release skewer enough so that the quick-release lever begins to bind at the half-closed position. Push the lever all the way closed. And that's it. Your bike and trainer are now ready to begin training. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.